It is time for box number 2 of Chilling Reign. Quickly going to mention here, guys, before we get started, I did open some packs. I opened a few in the car. I actually got a crazy good pull sitting in my car. Let's cut to that footage. I did record it just in case. Let's cut to that footage now. Time for a Chilling Reign car opening. Oh, gold. We struck gold. Gold, Jerry.
That's gold, Jerry. Gold!
Calyrex VMAX! 2 VMAX! I need this one. Gaps. Look at that. 8 rando packs. Pretty happy with that, guys. I also opened some cards in the kitchen. Got a couple more that I needed. Nothing crazy. We'll quickly cut to that footage as well. Ooh, there are the... Boom! Tornadus V. I also opened a couple packs last night off camera, didn't record it, and I got another alt art. Pop them up in the screen right there. A very nice Galarian Slowking V alternate. No fluffing around today, guys. Let's get straight into it. The chase cards for this set, obviously pretty much all the alternate arts. My personal chase card is the Zeraora V alternate art. That's the one I really want. We've also got, actually let's just go through the top 10 real quick. I wrote them down right here. So you've got Blaziken V, VMAX alternate art. That's the number 1 card in the set at the moment, according to TCG Player. You've got Shadow Rider Calyrex VMAX alternate. What a mouthful. He's number 2. You got Galarian Moltres alternate. He's 3. Gold Snorlax is 4. You've got Alt Galarian Zapdos is number 5. My personal chase card, Zeraora Alt, is 6. Ice Rider Calyrex VMAX alternate is number 7. Shadow Rider Calyrex V alternate, which I pulled in my first video, he's number 8. Shadow Rider Calyrex VMAX Rainbow, the only rainbow in the top 10, he's number 9. And you got Galarian Rapidash alternate at number 10. Those are your top 10 chase cards for this set at the given moment. Let's get cracked into this second booster box. As you can see, we have an upside down pack. An upside down, okay. We have an entire, wait, except for one pack, an entire row is upside down in the booster box. Quality control for this set seems to be all over the shop, guys. There's actual entire threads in my Facebook group now just about how badly off-center cards have you pulled. Apparently, Pokemon are using a new printing company or something. I don't know. I'm guessing they're not going to be keeping They're not going to be keeping the contract or whatever it is after this debacle. Let's toss the water energy. We got Kakuna, Fluffy, Hatchram, Ladybug, Sobble. We got Larvesta. We got Castform Rainy, Galarian Farfetch'd, Reverse Holo Diglett, Bang, and a Blaziken V Standard Ultra. Already got this one. Even though the quality control seems to be really bad, the actual pull rates actually seem to be a lot better than Battle Styles. So, you know what? I'm going to go that one pack that was the right way up. And these packs just rip open, eh? Well, I saw that was a green code, so we'll just flick on through. Reverse Malamar, Galarian Farfetch'd. Alright. Looking, hopefully, to get a better booster box than the last one, because all my great pulls came from Cinderace Reverse, Metagross V. All my good pulls last time came from loose packs. That was a green code. Rillaboom Reverse, Banette, Standard Ultra Rare. Let's go one from the other side. Not looking at the code cards. Not looking. Tusted Energy, Piercing, Abominable, Flannery, Rolps, Quillfish, Castform, Weedle, Snorunt, Malamar Reverse. Interesting. The same reverse in first 5 packs. And a Golurk, non-holo rare. Let's see which side has the better pulls. Whoops, I think I accidentally showed a little something just there. Let's see if the upside down side or the the upside down side of the booster box or the right way up side of the booster box has the better pulls. Rockruff, Celia Reverse, bang! There we go! A big hit. Tornadus VMAX Rainbow Rare. That's what we want. Finally, breaking the hyper rare curse. Oh man. I never pulled a rainbow card, a hyper rare card on camera for Battle Styles. I did get one single one in a box I did off camera. So it's nice to finally get a rainbow hyper rare on camera for a main set. There we go. Let's give him a quick look. He's actually very well centered, which I think is very rare to find in this print run of Chilling Reign. Look at that. Wow. He's not miscut. Whoever thought we'd see the day where we're excited about a non-miscut rare card. He came from the upside down side. I do hope it's not the only big pull of the box. Otherwise, we've hit our peak really early. Spiral, Dynahill, Porygon, Ladybug, Ghastly, Rockruff, Inkay, Angron Reverse, and a Spiritomb non-holo rare. Saw it was green. Castform, Farfetch'd. Another greeno, another greenie. The packs are so flimsy, man. They're just falling apart. Honey, reverse. I think I've pulled that like 4 times now. Trying to be really organized with my bulk now, guys. It got really out of hand with our Battle Styles. Serena reverse, Golurk, regular rare. I'm not keeping energies. I'm keeping everything else, sorting it into trainers, uncommons, commons, rares, all that sort of thing. At this organizational skill, guys, this is what I'm doing now. I'm trying to be a more organised person, at least with the Pokemon cards, even if I'm not in every other facet of my life. Alright, we're almost halfway through the side. 3 hits, one of them is big, but I was hoping for a little bit more. Let's go, we're going to pick this up. Whoopsie, I did the rare at the front, Beedrill, holo, dear oh dear, Whirlipede, reverse, Amateur Hour, over here on the Adam P channel, guys, my apologies. I heard some people were getting ultra rare hits in green card packs, green cards were giving people were getting entire booster boxes of just green cards and they were getting hits in them. I guess just another part of the quality control going downhill for this set, at least in this print run. Melanie, Piercing, Crumbable, Clawfish, Castform, Weedle, Snorunt, Crabrawler, Seabold, Reverse, the Galarian Moltres, Ultra Rare, already got him. The first, oh wait, second double up in an Ultra Rare. We're almost done with the upside down section of the box. The green codes. Bang, bang, bang. Ralts, Reverse, Zangoose. Green again. Spiel. Galarian Weezing. 3 left in the upside down. Oopsie. I saw some shiny. Saw something glittery. Doctor, Haunter, Quillfish, Blitzel, Cubfu, Shuppet, Cobaline reverse. Don't have any Cobaline yet. That's pretty cool. Bang! There we go. Full art. Avery, our first full art trainer. Very cool. 2 nice big hits, at least in this box. How is the centering? A little bottom heavy. Yeah, okay. So this one's a little bit off center. Not as bad as some of the other ones I was getting, but not bad. Not bad. There we go. Avery, full art. All the female full art trainers are high up in the value as well, guys. Everyone loves them for creepy reasons or otherwise. We've got another white. Agatha. Elia, Seabold, Titana, Spiel, Sunnyform, Castform, Ralts, we got Heracross, we got a Scolipede reverse, and a Thunderous holographic. Last of the upside downs. And it's a green. That's okay. Shuppet reverse, Dugtrio. Now we've got our other side of the box. I think I accidentally did 1 pack. Guard those packs with your life, Growlithe. You guard them. You look after them. Let's get into it. Offset Energy, Peony, Thwacky, Whirlipede, Weedle, Sneasel, Clobberpuss, Heracross, Marie, Sobble reverse, and a Tapu Fini holo. That energy. Gloves! We got more gloves! Curlia, Boomsweet, Hatena, Cubfu, Ghastly, Castform, Snowy Form, more gloves! And another Metagross V. We've doubled up on the Vs in the same box, strangely enough. Get out of here, Water Energy. Piercing, Crab, Slowpoke. I don't think I've mentioned this yet, but I'm really digging this Galarian Slowpoke card. just chilling out, leg up in the air, fishing with his tail, just loving life, living his best life. Just wanted to point that out. We got a poor little deerling lost in the forest. We've got a Melanie's Lapras, Swirlix, Rockruff, Letty in reverse, and another Blaziken V. What? What is... Oh, man, seriously? Alright, we've gotten 2 double ups on Vs in this friggin' box. That's a little annoying. It's like they've accidentally put 2 halves together. They weren't meant to. Maybe that means there'll be some more ultra big pulls on this side of the box. Not many holos, which makes me scared. There's going to be all holos in this side. Or just double ups. Bang! There we go! Another full art. Sandaconda V, full art. Here we are, we're back to the very off-center, the very off-center ones. Seems they're in this side of the box. That's alright. I just keep telling myself these are all for the binder, unless of course it's a double up and I need to sell it. Hopefully people don't mind. The highest pull in the last box was one Volcanion full art. It was the only big pull. We've gotten 2 full arts and a hyper. This is probably the best box I've opened in quite some time. Melanie reverse, Bomber Snow, coming down to our last few packs here. That cute little Arcanine is safely guarding. Alright. What do we have? We got Brawly. We got a Crystal, Curlier, Furfetch'd. Did I just say Furfetch'd? Farfetch'd, Sneasel, Deerling, Scared Little Deerling, Gollet, Diglett, Whirlipede reverse. Bang! Oh! Sorry, a little snot came out. Wow, we guys! Shadow Rider, Calyrex, VMAX Hyper Rare. Pretty sure this is the 9th card in the top 10 cards right now. Holy cow! He is a bit off center. This time, heavy on the right. Oh, wow. But not too bad. Oh, guys. I think we've got an error, this is kind of an error box, I think. Because both sides have had the same standard ultra rare pulls. Both sides have had a hyper rare pull. Both sides have had a full art pull. That doesn't usually happen in a box, right? Oh my goodness. I've well and truly broken the hyper rare curse. Hallelujah. Praise Arceus. Wowee. There we go. Oh, yes. What a box, guys. What a box. And we're not done yet. Let's finish this up. Oh, man. I'm ecstatic with this. I'm ecstatic. Don't even care if I don't get an alt art at this point. Because I've gotten... Oh, we got a double Galarian Weezing. I've gotten one of the top 10 cards again. Another Shadow Rider. I've now got an alternate art Shadow Rider and the Hyper Rare. Yes, I just opened this pack very strangely. Toss that energy. Lairon, Helptrum, Path to the Peak, Weedle, Snorunt, Brawler, Slowpoke, Snova, Furfur, Zarude holo. I need that one. That's alright. Finally a new holo. Ah, Zarude. I don't mind you showing up this time, but if you show up again, you're not. I'm gonna have to call you rude. We're coming down to the pointy end. Kecleon reverse. Dugtrio. That's just rip. They just rip apart. Thwacky reverse. A Bomber Snow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 white codes in this box. The last one had 16, but a lot more holos. That is so different. It's so weird. The last one had 16 white code cards in the packs. A heap more holos. No big hits. This one's only got 11. I've gotten 2 hyper rares, 2 full arts. Bizarre. How unbalanced is that? That is nuts. Here are all the green codes. All coming out of the woodwork. Rockruff, Serena. Then we get one more. Not this one. Farfetch'd Bombersnow again. Mask, reverse, Malamar. Let's save Shadow Rider for last. She's been good to me with the pulls. Resistant, a pair of oven mitts. Last pack magic. Can we do it? Oh, come on, Shadow Rider. Give me the goods, guys. Give me the goods. We cannot. School Bunny. Reverse Passimian. And that is Booster Box 2. Done and dusted. Quick recap time. Alright, so I did miscount. We got 13 white codes. So 3 down on the last box, but significantly better pulls this time around. We only got 4 holos. We got Darude, which I need, Tapu Fini, Thundurus, and Beedrill. Then we got our V Ultra Rares. We doubled up on Blaziken, 2 Blazikens. We also doubled up on Metagross, 2 Metagross. Really weird. Never had that happen in a booster box before. We got a Galarian Moltres as well. So only the 5 standard Ultra Rares. And then we got 2 full arts, Sandaconda V, full art, and Avery, full art trainer. Very cool. Then we had 2 massive hits, guys. We got Tornadus, VMAX Hyper Rainbow Rare, and Shadow Rider Calyrex Hyper Rainbow Rare, the number 9 card in the set at the moment. Wow. I've gone from opening 300 Battle Styles packs almost and not getting anything to pulling 2 in the same booster box in Chilling Reign. Can't complain about that. I've officially broken the curse of the hyper rares. Thank you. Thank you. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I will be doing a giveaway when I get to 50 subscribers. I'm really close now. I think just 17 more of you need to hit subscribe. Just click the little button, guys. Just click it. Just click it. All right, guys, let's call that the end of this video. Some more videos should pop up somewhere here on the screen should you wish to continue watching my beautiful self. Hope you all have been having some sick luck with Chilling Reign like I have. Let's hope it continues. I'll be opening up another booster box as soon as it arrives. I've got some other cool Eevee Hero stuff to come. Lots of cool stuff coming up in videos, guys. So catch you all next time. Have a fantastic day.